Hello, welcome to our channel, and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter L and few words starting with the letter L. Sound of the letter L is L, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L, leg. L-E-G, leg. Lion. L, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. L, lollipop. Lemon. L, lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Sound of the letter L is L, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. L, ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. Lock. L-O-C-K, lock. Lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Sound of the letter L is L. L-O-G, log. L-A-P, lap. L-A-M-B, lamb. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-D-Y, lady. L-A-R-G-E, large. L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Log, lap, lamp, lake, lady, large, liquid. Thank you for watching this video till end. Hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.